Brake caliper piston return tool unboxing. Brake caliper piston return tool showcase. When using our return tool, you need to first adjust the upper limit block to the 90-degree position. Use the included wrench to tighten it. This return tool is only suitable for single piston calipers. Use the brake caliper piston return tool to return the brake caliper piston. This tool is compatible with single piston calipers. Before use the included wrench to loosen the nut on the upper pad. After loosening, adjust it to the proper position. Tighten it. Press the rear safety lock button. Slide the push rod all the way to the rear. Place the tool into the caliper. Squeeze the handle. Push the piston with the push rod. Press firmly to return it to the original position. After returning to the original position, press the safety lock button. Release the slide rod. Remove the tool.